Breaking news alerts and the hour-by-hour forecast from the Weather Authority. This is Local 12 News.
Good evening. In the not-too-distant future, our area will be flush with new options for gambling. The casino in downtown Cincinnati is due to got away with about $600. The judge ordered Fikes held on $100,000 bond.
If you are thinking about building a home in Cincinnati, city leaders want you to go green. Cincinnati is already the regional leader when it comes to LEED homes. LEED stands for Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. The city currently offers builders and homeowners a tax abatement program when they take advantage of LEED construction. Strategic Growth Committee members want to make changes to the tax abatement program as part of an incentive for people to invest in the most energy efficient building they can afford.
We built this house because we were very interested in making sure that we were doing our part for the future and making sure that we weren't using more than our share of the resources that we've been given. And we wanted this house to be a demonstration of what's possible.
Kinsman also says you don't necessarily have to change the way you live your life to live in an energy efficient space. There are currently several different levels of LEED certification. But since it's becoming easier and less expensive to go green, city leaders want to tier the tax abatements.
Hey, the Bengals don't have much